Namaste. I welcome you once again on today's topic Tihai and Tabla Repertoire, Lecture 9. Today we will see how the execution of Tihai is done in the Tabla Repertoire. Tabla Repertoire is divided into two parts, that is Tabla Solo Recital. We divide Tabla Solo Recital in two parts. First, we have the first half, Peshkar or Uthan, then followed by Kaida, and Kaidas followed by Rela, Chalan and Raw. So this is the improvisatory section. Improvisation is done, and Peshkar, Kaida, Rela, these are extendable compositions. Tihai plays an important role in these compositions. So today we will see and try to understand the execution of Tihai and how Tihai is manipulated or played while these compositions are being played. So the first half. In Tabla solo performances, Tihai is a powerful tool that can be woven into various compositions such as Peshkar, Kaida and Rela, etc., which covers the first half of the Tabla solo recital. To enhance the rhythmic development and add structure, let's see how Tihais are incorporated in each of the forms. So first we have the Peshkar. Tihai in Peshkar. Peshkar serves as the introductory composition in Tabla solo, often slow-paced and improvisational, with a focus on subtle variations of tonal exploration. Tihais in Peshkar are typically simple and elegant, used sparingly to maintain the relaxed pace and smooth flow of the composition. Often, a single or double repetition of a straightforward gapped Damdar Tihai or Bedam Tihai is employed to mark transitions or introduce new phrases. Since Peshkar is less rigid than other compositions, Tihais used here are more fluid, emphasizing on the sum with gentle arrival rather than a dramatic conclusion. So in Peshkar, Tihai is played according to language of Peshkar. Peshkar itself contains the Swara Pradhan Bhasha, that is Swara Pradhan language, and the Tihais in Peshkar, which are suitable with the language, are executed. And now I will try to demonstrate some Tihais in Peshkar. I will begin with the Peshkar, and we can see that before beginning, Tihai acts as a starting phrase as well as the ending phrase also. So we start Peshkar with some spontaneous Tihai, and we will also end Peshkar with some Tihais. So let's see how the Peshkar with Tihai begins. I am playing Peshkar in Tal Teen Tal, which is Vilambit Lay. Small Tihais will be played. This is how we see how the Peshkar is decorated with the execution of Tihai. The language is almost the same of the Tihai, which language the Peshkar is played with. Now we move towards Qaida. Tihai in Qaida. Qaida is a foundational form in tabla, characterized by a basic theme or phrase that is developed and varied with mathematical precision. Tihais in Qaida are typically intricate, following the established rhythmic structure but with creative variations that fit within the Qaida framework. A Bedam and Damdar Tihai is common in Qaida as it allows for continuity without breaks, falling directly into the sum with a strong sense of completion. Chakradar layered Tihai is also popular in Qaida performances, especially towards the end to provide a climatic closure. Qaida Tihais are often aligned with Laikari, that is tempo variations, so the performer may build a Tihai that moves from single to double or quadruple speed, showcasing both creativity and control. Now we will see one Qaida, and we'll try to execute some Tihais in it. So I am playing a Tishra Jati Qaida. As compared to Peshkar, less Tihais are played in Qaida. If the lay and the execution facilitates the Tihai, we can execute the Tihai. this is how we treat tihais in Qaida's language. We have to follow the language of Qaida while playing tihais in it. So we next move to Rela, which is the third extendable composition of tabla solo first half. So Peshkar, we have many, there's a scope for tihai as compared to Qaida. Many tihais can be played in Peshkar. In Qaida, compared to Peshkar, less number of tihais played. It's execution and facilitation of the lay is dependent. And in Rela, I'll play one Rela now and let's see. Rela, all these three compositions are concluded with the tihai. So let's see the Rela. In Rela, obviously the language of tihai will be following the Rela's language. Chalan, and based on this chalan, later I'll play a Rela. now we move towards the second part of the tabla solo recital, which is the part of Gat Tukda Chakradar. So the first part, as we have seen, that it is a improvisational section. This part is not improvised. We play fixed composition in this part. Almost all the fixed compositions are ended by or concluded by a tihai. Every composition contains a tihai. Exceptional, the composition of Gat is an exception. We have Gat in the order, first order of the second half. We play immediately after the improvisational section ends. We start with Gat. Gat is basically a composition which is normally played without tihai. So I'll play one Gat which is without tihai, and then I will also play a Gat which contains a tihai. So there are various forms of Gat. So there's a Gat with tihai which is known as Tihai Gat, and in Tihai Gat we have two sub types. I'll explain it. Let's play a Gat which is without tihai. So I'll play a Gat. It's a Haji Sahab's traditional Gat of Farrukhabad without tihai. Dagat takat dagat takat da. Dadam nakat takat dagat takata da kirkat da kirkat da dagat da da takat da digan da kirkat da kirkat da danna without tihai. Gat which is called a tihai Gat, Akal tihai Gat. Takit dhikit dhakit dhadin takit dhadin takit dhadin takit dhadin takit dhadin takit dhadin dhadin takit dhadin dhadatina takit dhadin dhadatina takit dhadin dhadatina din din na. Order, we have one Gat which is known as Sab Akal Tihai Gat. Dadana kata dhena tuna dakar dhin na kar ghar de gat dadar kar dadar kar dadar kar dadar kar ram dad tudra dhen tada dadar utar kar da dhen tada dadar utar kar da dhen tada. So after Gat we play Tukda. Tukda is basically a phrase ending with a tihai once. 9 dhas. First, 5th and 9th dha will come on sum, which is of the dha of a tihai. Kamali Chakradhar, which contains 27 dhas, 9 in threes, so 3 times 9, 9 dhas. So out of which first 14 and 27 dha will come on sum. Runna katrita, dada katrita, dadi gurdan katrita, dada katrita, tar katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada, tadin katrita, dada katrita, dadi gurdan katrita, dada katrita, tar katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada, tadin katrita, dada katrita, dadi gurdan katrita, dada katrita, tar katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada katrita, dada dada dun. At the last we have Paran, which is a phrase of open bowls ending with a tihai. So this is how the tihai plays its role in various forms in tabla solo. We begin tabla solo with tihai, which is at the beginning. If tihai is played, we normally call it as uthan. So tihai can play a role of uthan also, and it is also used while concluding almost all the compositions. We have seen right from the beginning Peshkar, Qaida, Rela. We have executed tihais in it, and at the end we conclude these forms with tihai. Also in second half, tihai plays very important role, because almost each and every composition is having a tihai and is concluded with various tihais, damdar, bedam or chakradhar tihai. So I hope you have understood the role of tihai, and I have tried to explain you the role of tihai and the execution in the form of various compositions that we play in tabla solo recital. So let's meet in our next session. Thank you.